There's only two things I care about: art supplies and the money I need to get them. You may think that I just write in art journals all day, but cross me and I'll show you I can read. I'm like a Uniball Signo, thin, white and 100% plastic. I like my media like I like my drinks, mixed. I'm as transparent as my watercolours, you'll always know what I'm thinking. I drink the paint water on purpose. As heir to the washi fortune, I'm used to being stuck in people's minds. I may not be the sharpest crayon in the tool shed, but I am the prettiest.
You tell me that it's red, ay mi amor, ay mi amor. Where should I put my shoes, ay mi amor, ay mi amor. You say put them on your head, ay mi amor, ay mi amor. You make me un poco loco, un poquitito.
Is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. In dreams you will lose your heartaches, whatever.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got troubles and I got them too. There isn't anything.
G'day TikTok, my name is James and I'm here to tell you what your journal says about who you are. If you journal in a traveler's notebook, you are traditional, but you're also like a little bit trendy. I mean, you enjoy feeling a part of the cool kids club, but you really don't want anyone to know that you enjoy feeling like that. If you journal in a Hobonichi A5, the big one, you do not like closure. You enjoy chaos. You are the type of person to have a schedule, but you're always at least 2 to 3 days behind. If you journal in a 5-year journal, you are ambitious, you are giving big girl boss energy. I mean, you are important, your life's important, you are detail oriented, and you're very physically gorgeous. If you journal in a golden book journal, you are young at heart, and you also have a lot of unopened name brand art supplies. You're an easy breezy beautiful journal girl, and you also have a Disneyland annual pass. If you journal in a handmade insert, you are bad and bougie, publicly problematic, unbothered, journaling is your Olympic sport, and you are gold medals only. And if you journal in all of them, you are me and you are crazy.
Hey yo, big wave. Tell them I come. Small time alongside JW.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go ane. Chucking more fina anane. Chucking more fina ane. Start my truck, let's all jump in. Here we go together. Nice cool breeze and big palm trees. I tell you, life don't get no better. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go ane. Chucking more fina anane. Chucking more fina ane.
Okay, your mama ngwele. Step on the dancing floor. Hips be winding,
J rewinding, take it to the island way. Get your baby mama.
How do you get to Wonderland? Over the hill or underland?
Tokyo Disney Resort plus Japan Disney Store.